third technology tool I chose is QR codes. I selected QR codes because it will keep the students intrigued. It will have them more focused because they are doing work while at the same time having fun. Ways to use QR codes in the classroom can be for a scavenger hunt, such as an Easter egg hunt, where each egg has a QR code in it telling you where to go for the next egg. I can utilize QR codes in my classroom during vocab lessons. I can have different stations around the classroom where QR codes are placed, and each QR code will have a definition. For making a QR code, you just hit plain text here, and in the text I copied a definition for grief from dictionary.com, so I'll post it here, and then I just hit download QR code, and here it is. And then I can place these all around my classroom so the students will find them, and then they can move on to the next vocabulary word and the next station. I think QR codes will be really beneficial in the classroom because it will keep students actively engaged and involved.